choosing the right camera is crucial. To help you navigate the options, here's a look at 5 of the best digital cameras in 2024. Number 1. CAMKORY Digital Camera. Let's start with our littlest photographers. This FHD 1080p Kids camera is a fantastic way to introduce your kids, age 3+, to the world of photography. It's compact, durable, and comes with a whopping 32GB SD card, so they can snap away without worrying about running out of space. Plus, the 16x zoom lets them get close to the action, and the 2 included batteries mean double the fun. Should you buy it? Absolutely. If you're looking for a safe, easy-to-use camera that will spark your child's creativity, this is a perfect choice. Number 2. Dylanto Kids Instant Print Camera. Staying with the kiddie crew, the Dylanto Kids Camera Instant Print takes things a step further. This camera not only lets them take photos, but it also prints them out instantly. Talk about instant gratification. It's perfect for birthday parties, holidays, or just capturing everyday adventures. Should you buy it? If your child loves seeing their pictures come to life right away, this is a great option. It's also a fun way to create a physical record of their memories. Number 3. Kodak Digital Camera. Now let's move on to something for the bigger kids or adults who like things simple. The Kodak PIX-PRO Friendly Zoom FZ45WH is a great all-around camera. It boasts a 16-megapixel sensor for sharp photos, a 4x optical zoom for getting closer to your subject, and a wide-angle lens for capturing stunning landscapes. Plus, the LCD screen lets you easily frame your shots. Should you buy it? This camera is perfect for anyone who wants a simple, reliable camera that takes great pictures. It's easy to use and won't break the bank. Number 4. 4K Digital Camera. Calling all aspiring vloggers, this 4K digital camera is a feature-packed option for capturing stunning content. It shoots in high-resolution 4K, has a 48-megapixel sensor for crisp details, and even boasts a 180-degree flip screen so you can always be in the frame. The anti-shake feature ensures smooth footage, and the included batteries keep you rolling for longer. Should you buy it? If you're serious about taking your vlogging game to the next level, this camera is a great choice. It offers fantastic features at a competitive price. Number 5. Sony ZV-1F. Finally, let's talk about the king of vlogging cameras, the Sony ZV-1F. This little powerhouse is packed with features designed specifically for content creators. It has a large sensor for beautiful bokeh effects, a built-in microphone for clear audio, and a super-fast autofocus system that keeps your subject sharp. Plus, the compact size makes it perfect for traveling and on-the-go shooting. Should you buy it? If you're a serious vlogger who demands the best possible image quality and features, the Sony ZV-1F is the camera for you. However, it does come with a higher price tag.